Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office, and in this video I will be showing you how to customize your chart widgets in PPO. So the chart widgets in PPO basically gives you a visual representation of your data. So here I'm currently on my project list. On the right hand side you can see an average progress variance for my portfolio of projects. Below that I have a bar chart showing the count by project health and phase. Moving below that, we've got a count by status shown as a percentage, a donut chart. Another bar chart at the bottom showing a count by governance rag and the project manager. Something important to note is that these widgets are interactive, so if I just want to focus on my projects that are in executing with a red health rag, I simply click into the bar chart, and that slims down my project list, only showing the 4 projects with a red health rag where the phase is executing. To remove these filters and get my full project list back again, a quick and easy way is just to hit the reset button here on the right hand side. You also have the ability to hide your chart. So if I just click on the hide charts icon over here, you have a little bit more screen space looking at your data. To unhide, you simply just show charts again over there. These charts have been set up as default, and I'll get into more detail around that shortly. But for me as a logged in user, I have the ability to change these charts myself. So if I just click on the settings icon over here, you can see the 4 that have been set up. I might not want to see the count by status, so I'm going to delete that and I'm going to save. Now you can see I don't have the donut chart because that's the one that I have removed. You as a PPO administrator, however, have access to either add more of these defaults or remove some of them or even change some of them. And where we do that is under Administration, Widget Configuration. So on this page, on the left-hand side, we've now been focusing on a list page. So it's the list widget, and the entity we were working on was projects. So if I just select projects, here you can see the 4 default that was initially set up. What I'm going to be doing is adding an additional bar chart. Let me just quickly walk through the various options we have for these widgets. We have the key metric, which is this icon over here. We have a donut chart, we have a tree map, and we have the bar chart. So I'm going to add an additional chart over here. I'm going to select the bar chart. I then select my primary field. What I want to show is data quality by project manager. In my secondary field, the operator, I just want to see a count, but you do have the various options over here. The orientation, you either have a columns view or a bar view. I'm going to opt for the bar view. And then in terms of mode, you can either have a normal mode, I want a stacked graph, or you can have one shown as a stacked percentage. When we look at the palette, because the field that I've chosen now is a rag field, that is the palette that it defaults to. If I were to select skin palette, that would apply the palette that you have selected by default as a skin on PPO. I'm just going to click on add over here. I might want to change the sort order of my widgets and then submit. If I now go back to my project list, you'll notice that I now do not have the new widget that has now been added. The reason for that is because previously I set my own preference by removing the donut. So for me to get the defaults that you have now set up as a PPO admin, I simply click on the settings icon and restore to defaults. Once that's done, you'll see I have the additional data quality bar chart and I have my count by status back. I hope you enjoy this functionality. Please follow the link on screen where I will be demonstrating board views in PPO. Thanks for watching.